Hello friends, welcome to my another video. In this kitchen and home review, we tested Amazon kitchen gadgets, so you don't have to. We always like to add innovation to our videos. So if you like the video, be sure to subscribe to the channel and comment, and share. These smart gadgets make cooking simple, fast, and stress-free for everyone. Perfect for beginners, busy parents, and home chefs who love practical solutions. From chopping to storing, these tools make every step easier. Trending now on Amazon, TikTok, and Temu, and they actually work. Each product is affordable, durable, and designed for everyday cooking needs. Say goodbye to complicated gadgets and hello to effortless. So let's start the video. Potato ricer. Mashing potatoes made easy. Don't you wish you can create perfectly smooth and fluffy mashed potato with less effort? With our Priority Chef Ricer Masher kitchen tool, you can achieve a creamy, heavenly dish quickly and conveniently. Simply squeeze on the long handle of our potato press for perfect mash. Large deep basket for quicker ricing. Holding a max capacity of 15 ounces, 3 mm ricer holes, you will have your mashed potatoes prepared quicker yet finer output than using other kitchen gadgets. You can also use it for other veggies like soft carrots, turnips, yams, and even use a baby food masher. Anti-slip, cushioned long handles for easy leverage. Our potato ricer's long, easy grip silicone handle allow comfortable leverage while you mash, rice, and mill. No more sore or tired arms, just perfect results every time. Easy cleanup, top rack dishwasher safe. Crafted from 100% rust-proof materials, the Priority Chef Potato Ricer is resistant to stains, corrosion, and deformation. Rotary Food Mill. Premium stainless steel craftsmanship. Built to last, our food mill is made from heavy-duty stainless steel that resists rust, warping, and wear, even when working with hot foods like stewed tomatoes or boiled apples. It's not only a food mill, but can double as a colander or steamer for added versatility in your kitchen. Effortless turning with ergonomic handle. Say goodbye to sore arms. Our ergonomic rotary handle with a spring-loaded lever delivers smooth, low-resistance turning, making food prep quicker and easier for everything from silky mashed potatoes to homemade applesauce. Stable, secure on bowls and pots. Thoughtfully designed side hooks, ears, rest securely on a wide range of bowls and pots, keeping the mill steady while you work. Each hook is double welded for added stability, so you can mill with confidence and control. Citrus juicer. Perfect handheld juicer. Squeeze out every last drop of juice with this lemon and lime hand juicer. It produces up to 20% more juice than conventional handheld citrus juicers. Easy to store. This updated citrus juicer has a hang loop for easy storage. You can keep this squeezer any place that's convenient to you. Rests anywhere. We've added wider feet on the bottom of the citrus juicer, so it easily sits upright while holding fruit. High-quality design. Innovative dual-gear mechanism increases pressing power to reduce hand fatigue. Juice as many lemons and limes as you need with ease. Easy to clean. Fully extend handles of the juicer and place on the top rack of the dishwasher. Ninja Crispi 4-in-1 air fryer. All-in-one system. Includes the Ninja Crispi Power Pod for QT and 6-cup clean crisp glass containers and 2 storage lids. Crispi Power Pod. The power of a full-sized air fryer now in the palm of your hand. Small, large batch containers. 6-cup container cooks a personal-sized meal in 7 minutes while the 4 cutie fits of 4 lb chicken and veggies. Non-toxic containers. Clean crisp glassware is designed for non-toxic cooking and storing. 4-in-1 functionality. Max Crisp Bake Air Fry Recrisp. Fixed heat protection. Permanently fixed heat-safe feet so you can safely set it on granite, laminate, quartz, butcher block, and marble. Leak-proof lids. Snap-lock lids ensure your meal won't spill on the go. Easy storage. Ninja's Crispi Power Pod and clean crisp glassware nests together for mess-free storage in your cabinets. Crispi Container Adapter. Includes an adapter so the Crispi Power Pod can be used on the larger container. Electric Pepper Grinder. Adjustable coarseness pepper grinder. Easily twist the knob to achieve your desired level of coarseness. Our salt and pepper shakers set features 5 adjustable levels, effortlessly meeting diverse cooking demands and helping you create richly flavored dishes for family. Battery-powered 1-button operation. The salt and pepper grinder set is battery-powered and requires 4 AAA batteries, not included. Effortlessly grind your spices, by simply pressing the switch. Release it to stop, allowing you to control amounts of salt or pepper while cooking. Built-in bright light. Our handy salt and pepper shakers set features a built-in bright light, providing clarity to check the size of your spice particles, even in dim environments. Enjoy effortless grinding adjustments with enhanced visibility, preventing excessive seasoning in your dishes. Dish drying rack. Compact volume. Kitchen dish rack is suitable for kitchens with limited space. The bottom layer measures only 12W x 15.5L, and the overall height is 5. The rack is capable of holding 10 plates and other bowls and glasses. With a Kitchen dish rack, you can perfectly save your countertop space. Premium material. Kitchen dish drying rack has a plastic drain board and premium rust-proof metal, which can effectively prevent rust and deformation. And you can clean the rack easily by rinsing it under a running tap. It would be a reassuring choice for you to set utensils. Easy install clean. Kitchen dish drainer is easy to install with the attached installation manual. In addition, with the waterproof coating, the rack is also easy to clean. All you need to do is wipe the rack with a damp cloth or rinse it under a running tap after use. Easy to use. Kitchen drying rack for kitchen consists of a cutlery holder, a dish rack, and a drain board set. Peeler. Single-edge straight blade. This Y peeler features a single-edge straight blade constructed of tough, rust-resistant 420 stainless steel. It is perfect for peeling all fruits and vegetables, including soft-skin foods. Ergonomic handle for comfort. The handle is well-balanced and ergonomically designed for comfort and smooth operation during use. The glossy ABS handle features a debossed logo, as well as a satin chrome-plated bolster and end cap. Plastic guard included. The KitchenAid Y peeler comes with a protective plastic blade cover. Dishwasher safe. This Y peeler is dishwasher safe, making cleanup quick and easy. Cheese grater. Effortless grating. Designed for ease of use, the cheese grater's ergonomic handle and smooth hand crank make grating hard cheeses like Parmesan quick and effortless. 2 interchangeable drums. The cheese grater comes with interchangeable fine and coarse drums, providing versatile grating options for finely grated hard Parmesan or coarsely grated softer cheese like mozzarella. Restaurant quality performance. Inspired by the popular Olive Garden cheese grater, this grater delivers the same professional-grade results, perfect for home kitchens or dining experiences. Vegetable chopper and spiralizer. The original Pro Chopper, our superstar veggie slicer, has been creating waves on TikTok. Simple to use, set up, and clean, save time and energy during meal prep with our OG vegetable chopper. Chop, slice, and dice your ingredients like a seasoned chef. Easy meal prep with rust-resistant blades. Our vegetable chopper is perfect for anyone who wants to eat healthier but doesn't have a lot of time to spare. Dice potatoes, tomatoes, cucumbers, carrots, and more with the heavy-duty rust-resistant blades. The 420 stainless steel blades retain razor sharpness for crisp, smooth dicing. 5-star design. The soft grip TPU handle ensures controlled chopping, while the non-skid rubber base keeps the BPA-free veggie chopper steady on any surface, wet or dry. The built-in catch tray keeps counters clean and mess-free. Geedel food chopper. Reduce prep time. The food chopper is equipped with stainless steel blades which make faster chopping, dicing, and grinding than a knife. Use the onion chopper directly on your cutting board or included base to get your prep food with less time. 0 risk of injury. Simply slap the vegetable chopper to get quickly chopping in the garlic and onions in seconds. No more getting hurt by touching the blades. Easy cleaning. The hand food chopper is easy disassembling for speedy cleanup. Simply finish cleaning under running water in 30 seconds. Also top rack dishwasher safe. Easy to use. This vegetable chopper is made of premium materials and can be used with confidence. The garlic chopper comes with an instruction manual. You can easily master it whether you are an expert cook or a novice in the kitchen. Chicken breast shredder. Upgraded chicken shredder. Compared with the old chicken shredder, we have changed the inner shred structure and strong anti-slip strip. More effective and saves time. We do not worry about sliding away from our kitchen desks again. The flower appearance design and the transparent lid-add polka dots seem like a beautiful flower to bloom. Shredded meat in seconds. The meat machine built-in plastic teeth that cover the whole area, which can tightly clamp the food. The lid has extra spikes on the edge, which help meat gather the shredded meat in the middle, cutting it evenly. The tool is applied with an ergonomic handle and an anti-slip base, ensuring comfort and easy operation even during heavy use. These updated structure designs can make your cooking tasks more efficient.